World of Binary Options podcast with Eric Roberts and Todd Anderson. Today we are going to be doing 12 more wins. It's a daytime trading session, and we're going to do that. And if you're listening to us on Spotify, on Apple, on iTunes, make sure you check out the live YouTube show every day. And do not trade with us live because these trades could be latent. Okay, if you want to join us,
not could be, they are.
Yeah, they are latent. If you want to join us at fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com, and we're going to be getting right into the charts and talk about our whole plan.
Hold on
tonight.
now. Hang on now. Keep the powder dry. Because before you do that, I'm gonna put in I'm gonna tell everybody that I'm live. So there we go.
Oh, okay, fine.
All right.
But first, Todd is telling all of his friends, his 2 friends on Facebook, he's live, and that's just how it is.
No, but first.
Dude, did I totally just cut off your but first?
Cut off my... Well, that was fine. But first I have to tell my 2 friends on Facebook that I'm live. Yeah, well, I do have a couple of friends. Some of them are your friends. We have some of the same friends.
We don't have friends, dude. Don't lie to people.
They're not real friends. You know, they're fake friends, dude. We don't have real friends.
You're right. There's 4 charts at 92. So right now our bids are 150, 340, 770, 1740, $39, and then 88.20. We're not getting that far down there. And then we're going to be going for 12 wins today. And
if we have time, depending on how fast we can get these wins, I think we can get them pretty fast today. And if we can do it in a reasonable amount of time, maybe we'll try for a Super Series too, because we just need to get ahead.
Yeah, we need to get ahead. Amazon's at 92%.
Guys, how you doing? We're doing good. Got a comment from Twitch. We don't get many comments from Twitch, but hey, thanks for watching us. And and if you're watching us on social media somewhere on YouTube or Facebook, let us know you're watching. Say hi. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a comment. Let us know where you're watching from. Something, just so we know you're out there, and we'll be sure to respond to you. So,
30 seconds on Amazon. You got 15 seconds. It looks like it's going to have a double.
What's our first trade?
$1.50. Man, I don't know. Is this going to be a double cross? It's right at a line. I think I'm going to hold this one. I think I'm going to hold off on this one.
It is right on a line, so who knows? It could just blow through there, or it could
bounce. But the cross that just happened was very weak, so I'm thinking it's a bounce. See how it hit the white line?
It did bounce, sure enough.
It bounced, yeah. But here's my thing: in the double cross, if that would have shot through the line, I mean, if the double cross would have looked really, really specific, then I would have thought that it's going down. Right now, I'm not really sure, and it bounced, and now it's wanting to go down, but it's kind of over because it already happened.
Okay, Visa is a nice down movement, a real nice steady downflow.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green.
I would be okay to take take a put on the next candle, but
because
it just looks like it's steadily moving down. What is our first trade again?
$1.50. You want in? I'm pretty sure we can get it.
This one looks pretty good.
First trade. This is what we just talked about. First trade. You want a 1 or 2? Let's just take a 1. $1.50. 1 minute. Now notice it's gone down 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, then it's went up. It's gone down 4 candles. It's then green. It's in 3 green, 5 green, 6 green. I mean, either way, I think this one still might win. I
think this one's going to win. I think this one's going to win. It's still pushing down. It's in a steady down current. This one,
this
believe
one's really tanking down, and there's no resistance backwards on the back.
I think what we could do here is, I wanted to think that was going to go down. I think it.
Because the next bid's 340. If we lose this one, you want to just re-enter? You want to just push down again on this one?
Maybe if we
could.
If we get another red candle, possibly.
Okay. So
let's
you think
wait. Don't enter
okay.
right away because I don't know that it isn't turning around.
Dang it. See, that's what we talked about. But you're right. I think, okay, so if it's another, this was like our push method before. If there's another red candle, then we could just get back in, right?
Right.
Unless it's
Consolidating, but it doesn't. I mean, the stochastic's kicking up a little bit, but
yeah, I think this is a pretty good down motion.
it depends if those two candles end side by side. If because they're kind of even, and if they stay even, that's a good sign of consolidation setting up. Are we at any kind of a line right now?
I don't see one from anywhere near. I think
because this looks like consolidation to me. I don't know that I would get in because
so
of
wait
the
for
size.
the next one.
Yeah, because of the size of this candle, I don't trust this.
Fair enough.
You see what I mean? When it looks like two little blocks side by side,
Mm-hmm.
that's a good red flag that it could be consolidating.
Yeah, it might be turning. Let's see. What is that, Visa?
I mean, it's been going down for a while, so
Pfizer, print.
the next trade is what you say?
340. Make sure we check our percentages. You keep an eye.
What's
on
the goal for the
percentages.
series? 12 wins.
12 wins.
We're going to win 12 trades today. At least that's the plan. Without going 6 deep.
I'm looking for something. Whoa. Okay.
Okay, do you think that on Amazon, do you think this is about to... Amazon looks kind of crazy in
Is
general,
that where
but
we were before? Yeah, no, I don't know what Amazon's doing. I'd be more interested in where we at? Visa? See, Visa.
Yeah.
Visa turned.
yeah. Do you think it's going to go to that line?
No, I think it's too far under. Like I don't.
Yeah, but do you think if you took like a 3-minute call here, do you think it would go up?
No,
You think it's going to go down?
it's a massive downtrend still. I mean, I think. If
You
we
think
do
it's going to
anything, we should
consolidate and
just-
keep going down?
Yeah, if we do anything, we should just take the flip flop bid. Just take a put when it gets the next green candle. I mean, like, see, it's kind of consolidating. If we would have took a put up there on that green candle, we'd be fine.
Right,
It's got a line.
but we don't know that it isn't going to turn.
I don't. Yeah, at this point we don't know because it's going flat, but it's been doing that. It's been going down, then flattening, going down, then kind of up, then going down, flattening, down. I think.
See, now it looks like it could be just, okay, it's going to go down a little more. I don't know, because this candle kind of broke that.
Yeah, I think we could take.
Oh, yeah. We could
I
probably
think we
take a
could
put now.
put on this one now. It's probably back out of its thing, unless it bounces. That line right there, where there's last two. It's kind of at that line where those last two flags hit, and it's kind of not wanting to break it. So I'm not sure it's broke it yet.
Right.
I mean, I don't know. See, it broke down a little bit, but then
Kicked back up. Yeah, I wouldn't get in yet.
I would still try to. If I was going to get on this, I'd still want to be at a high level, and then take a put for like 1 or 2 minutes, because I think this is just still, it's still hitting that line. Like maybe it will, but that line scares me.
Mm-hmm.
You know. Oh crap! Some of these charts look crazy. Some of them look nice. That's not really good.
Yeah, it dropped down, but it's still sort of consolidating there. I don't know. It doesn't look like
just
it.
Keep looking at it. Just kind of keep looking at it while I'm looking around. Oh wow, look at Euro RUB. Now that one, I'll draw some lines on it because it's kind of.
It is going down, though. It might break that line.
Who?
Visa.
Visa. Well, if you think it's got another red candle in it, I'm fine. I mean, I don't know. Is it going? Visa's going a lot sideways. Euro RUB is actually going down.
Okay.
It's got some wicks on it though. But yeah, you're a RUB, dude. Totally. It just had a jump on that candle. But I think we could take like a.
Is it out of line? It kind of looks like it is back there, but
Yeah, it's kind of at a it's kind of at an area of support and resistance, which is like
'cause it's shooting up pretty hard there.
Oh, is it? Well, yeah, it's kind of at an area. It's been at this area for a while. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't know if it's going to go through that. That's kind of the middle ground. That line is the middle ground that it's at. It's kind of hard to see that now that I put that on there, but yeah.
I mean, it's almost like you could
do nothing.
Yeah.
Visa
I mean, that candle's so big that I almost think you could take a put on it because it's just going to.
Right.
But I don't know that it isn't going to just keep going up. I mean.
Right. Let's do some more specific stuff. Visa is still at that line. It's just farting around on that line still. I'm going to start looking for some better positions. Look at NZDJPY. In 40 seconds, we could have a call. Looks like it's... In 30 seconds, we could have a call on this.
Yeah.
Because it looks like it's been kind of going up.
Okay, the MACD just crossed, so...
Right. Like, I think if this next candle shows like a big cross, then I think we could take it. Unless... Yeah, because it was kind of wanting to cross. And is it going to go to that white, or is it just going to hit it and just
well,
jack
if
back
it's
down?
getting real close to it now, so I'm worried. That's a big candle.
That's a big candle, dude. Yeah.
And the MACD cross already happened, so this would have been the candle to win on if anything. I'm not sure if the next one's going to blow through it or get rejected by it.
Yeah, I don't know either.
I tend to think it's going to turn red.
It kind of got to that one a little bit,
Yeah.
like a couple minutes late. One candle late because I could have.
And I was right.
It's probably rejection. Euro RUB is doing the same thing. I don't know. That one's not as convincing.
But
no, Euro RUB. Yeah, look at that one. It's going to go to the white line.
I don't know, dude. NZD JPY just shot up through there. This could be going up for a minute.
Well, if I take a call, I'd probably want to take it now, mid candle. Like,
well,
I don't know.
I don't know because it's
wait. Yeah, it's shot up and it's heading up, and the moving.
But there's a
average is up.
line up there, and I don't know how far it's going to get. It's still got another candle to go before it gets there.
Let's hit it.
You want to take it?
Then. Yeah, it's well, crap. Not now. No.
Yeah, not now.
Not now. I mean,
you got too close to that line.
Yeah, it just kind of shot up that line.
I'm glad
Visa,
you waited on
Visa's
that.
finally underneath that line that it was sitting at, and it's going slow, but it's going down for sure. I think it might be done turning around. I'd say if we took like a 2-minute put, like right now, while that green candle shoots up.
Still kind of moving sideways, but yeah, it is gradually going down. These candles are really small.
Right. I think you'd have to get a better position, like up at the top wick, at the top of one of those wicks. Yeah, NZDJPY is shooting down. We would have been losing this one. We'd be losing it big.
Yeah.
Too late. But I'm not so sure we wouldn't win on Visa. You want to take a put on Visa? I mean, do you think it's got another green candle? I don't know, man. It's kind of small.
Very small, and I don't know if it's. I mean,
like if it can like just heat up a little bit, then I think we'd be okay.
But the problem is it looks like it's not really sure that it wants to keep going down.
Right. That's what I'm saying. If it gives us,
I'm not sure that this thing isn't setting up for a bit of a turnaround.
Yeah,
because it's been moving really flat and sideways here. Amazon though, it's kind of at a line, but it's moving up.
Yeah, but it's already done. Crap.
Think the next candle will be green on Amazon?
I think we could try it, I guess. I don't have anything else better. I mean, it could be. It's kind of a big candle, though, isn't it? And it's at a line.
Well, it's at a line is what scares me.
Yeah, it's at a massive.
Yeah, just wait, because that's a line and it's kind of pushing down.
Yeah, it's at a line right here, and it's like it got up there and got real big. Oh, Visa. Was Visa the one we were on that you said might be turning around soon?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
Did it turn around? Well, it did get up a little bit there.
It's getting, it's starting to go up from the line. I still don't know if it's going to.
Well, everything's crooking up. The MACD and the stochastic both are. I think if you took like a 3-minute call from here, I bet you'd win it. I don't know, but it's kind of it's
from down on that line. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, but look, dude, I think it's wanting to go up.
You want me to take a 3-minute call the next time
it
it dips?
Let it dip.
Okay.
And take like a 3-minute call.
What if this next candle just jumps up?
Well, then you're gonna have to just take it now.
You want
let
3
that
minutes?
dip and then.
You want 3 minutes?
Yeah, go.
I took it now. It's as low as it's going to get.
That's as low as it's probably as low as it's going to get. I don't know that it's going to go lower.
It's like this line right here is like right. It's on the bottom of that candle line right there, back there about 10 candles ago.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think you probably got this one. Oh, did we have a win already?
We did. No, did we? No, we have not had a win yet. No, we haven't had a win yet. This is, if this wins, it'll be our first win.
Did we have a loss? I thought we had a loss.
We did. We had a loss. We didn't have a win.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we had a loss. Okay.
All right, we're getting some distance from that line, which is good.
Yeah, because this is a slow-moving chart, so.
Yeah, real slow moving.
And it's at 92%.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to look for some positions. Ooh. Oh, yeah, I like this one. FedEx is at 92. FedEx could possibly be a double cross pretty soon. It's setting up to head back down. I'll keep my eye on that one. You keep watching now. Oh. Yeah, that's not strong enough. I'm looking for some cross up. Is it winning still? How are we doing?
We're winning still.
Man, we've got some big lines today. Like big Euro NZD OTC has just been going up for a long time, and it's getting towards a line. But we should watch it because it may just. Well, it's either going to go up.
Now it's getting scary. Now it's getting scary.
Well, that's okay. We still got a minute, so that candle can be.
Yeah, as long as this candle, if it
consolidates
right there,
here, we're good.
And that goes up, then we're okay.
Euro NZD looks really good. If it gets up to a line, it's actually. I think I'm gonna look at this as more of an opportunity for a downturn and a cross because
on
Euro
what
NZD,
on what
Euro NZD is kind of like heading up, and it's been heading up a long time, but it's kind of an overbought now, both of them, and it's getting towards a line. So I mean, it's possible that once it hits this line, it could start turning around and it could do a double cross down.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, is it going up? Oh, yeah, that's a good win. Well, that'll be a good first win.
Mm-hmm.
30 seconds if it keeps up there. Do you think it's... I don't think it's going up again, right? I don't think it's going up again, do you?
I don't trust that it is.
No, it's not going up again.
I mean, this is,
Euro NZD, though, is probably... I don't know. It's going to turn around. Okay, here's our win. That's a good win right there.
That was a good win. Go ahead and roll it.
Yeah, man. Okay, at 92%, that's good.
But actually, we're at 92%. I like that.
But look,
this is actually turning around kind of good. So this might go up for a bit.
If this can break this candle, if this can break the white line, even if it doesn't, I don't know, man. All the indicators.
All right, reset the trade.
The MACD is okay in 1 minute. We're at reset. We're at 1 minute. But look at MACD. I mean, MACD is like kind of like wide open, just heading that way. The moving averages are kind of heading that way. I think we could probably take this next candle.
I would take a 1 minute. Make sure you're at 1 minute.
150.
Roadman Shock from
3,
YouTube
2.
says, "What is the goal for today?"
Did he just ask that, or was that?
That's apparently that's a different guy. Never seen him before. So
Roadman, the goal is 12 wins without going 6 deep. We're gonna be having 12 wins today, and we're at 92%. So we're probably gonna make a little extra cash.
Right.
And we're on a 90-day plan. If you don't know about the plan, just go to fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com, and you can see our online courses, our trade sheets. This might be bouncing. This is actually.
It might, but it looked like it was going up.
I wish I would have taken a 2-minute on this.
Yeah, but we could still win it.
Yeah, this has got up pressure. Go to fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com. Because you can get our trading sheets, you can actually see the real depth of our plan. But today, the goal for today is just to win 12 trades without going 6 deep, and that is just unfortunate right here. This is unfortunate.
Man, I thought it was going to pull up over that line, but
I do too. I think it still is going to. I think it. I don't know if this is going to win, but I have a feeling it's going to go. Let's watch it, because if it gets another green candle, we should probably just
reset the trade amount to
3.40. I guess we'll get more people watching today because we're like in the middle
of
the day.
We're kind of in the middle of the day in the USA here.
Roadman Shock, the goal for today is...
we've got 1 win. We're going for 12. Can't go 6 deep.
So is this actually... We got 1 win and that's a loss. Is this... I don't feel like this candle is saying that it's going to continue upwards.
No. It might just go back down from here, actually.
Yeah, just watch it, because it might. We could... Wow, crapola.
It's either going to kind of consolidate here, move sideways for a bit, or it's going to go down. And with the pressure of this candle, the size of it, based on that alone, I feel like it's going to have... The next candle is going to be a red candle. I may be wrong, but that's my guess.
The stochastic did just cross.
Yeah.
And it is a massive downtrend.
But
now we have...
it went green. It surprises me. Yeah.
We have warring indicators. We did there for a second. This is kind of volatile right here.
It is, yeah.
But I think it's possible, with the position of the MACD, this is possible that it does keep going up, but it doesn't really show... It's not showing like a lot of clear signs. Your RUBs, gold OT. Oh, I don't think that's right. It's different trading in the day, I think.
Yeah, a lot different. Holy crap! Look at the size of that candle on Amazon.
What is it? Oh, yeah, I know. It's crazy. Like, what the heck? That's not trustable. I don't trust that crap.
Trustable? Is trustable a word?
It's not trustworthy, I guess.
Trustworthy.
But I do think that... Keep waiting for... I don't see a lot of double cross.
Crude oil is going up. Crude is going up. It's at 80%, but it's going up.
Yeah. We're on a second trade. Do you think that's going to be another red candle? I mean, it's...
Another green?
Another green? I mean, yeah, do you think? I mean, it could. It's
sure
got wide
like
open. Well, it's above. It's got wide open, and all the indicators are in the right direction. If you think that's a good step, we'll take it. You want to take it for 1 or 2?
I think you get the win back on it.
We'll take it for 1 or 2.
I don't know. It's kind of dropping a little bit. I don't know. I wouldn't go in on it now.
Okay.
Abort.
I boarded. It's... Yeah, like it's not super trustworthy when it does that, does it?
Yeah.
Like the stochastic, it caused the stochastic to crick down, but it still probably is going up. I mean, well, it's at a line. Right now it's at a line. It hit a line earlier. It kind of went down, it went up, it went down, and up, it went down. Yeah, this is probably at a line.
Euro NZD is a real nice uptrend.
I know. I've been looking at that for a long time, bro, and I'm not sure what to do about it, because it's kind of it's at a line right now. So I was waiting for it to hit this line and then turn around. Right now is where I've had my eye on this one. Do we think it's going to continue up, or do we think it's going to bounce? Because it's at a massive line of
right on the line,
resistance.
yeah.
It's right on the line of resistance. So
That's
like
a pretty strong resistance line.
really strong. I think we
Yeah.
should just take a 3-minute put like right now, because I think it's going to turn around. I mean, it's not like in our complete strategy, but if the MACD starts going
Everything
down and
the
it
MACD is
crosses-
kind of crooked. I would probably take a 4-minute put right now.
right now or until when it bounces back up to that line.
I don't know if it's going to bounce back up to it, is it?
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know, dude. I think it feels like it's turning right now, so you may not get much lower. It might consolidate here.
Well, I'm just going for you. I think it's going to fart with that line a little bit. I would have probably. But
I'd like to
that
see
is
this
a
candle
really-
end under that line, but
that is a really, really strong line of
yeah, it
of,
is.
bounce though. So
I like to see it push down below that line before it ends, so that it ends below that line. But it may not. But I'd like to see it do that. It'd be
I
nice.
should have waited till the end of the candle, and I would have got a position like up here. I just don't think it's. I think it's going to consolidate up here a little bit, but I do think that the MACD is going to cross.
No,
in
I
a
think we're
minute.
gonna get. I think we're gonna get a good solid 3 or 4 candles that are red here.
That's what I think, and I think the MACD is going
I
to cross.
think. I want to think that anyway.
I should be patient because the MACD is going to cross at some point.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, I know it is. Look at it. It's the stochastic already crossed, and the MACD is cricking. So unless the MACD thins out and just goes back up, we're going to win. Yeah, because the MACD is about to. If you look at the MACD,
MACD is getting closer.
we're a couple candles away from the MACD crossing. We've got a decent position.
Yeah,
And
I hope this. I'd like this candle to get to the line and close out either just at the line or below it. But we'll see.
At 240 now. So this next candle is going to be a pretty a view. It's going to give us a clear view. I mean, if it starts,
Yeah, there we go. Now we're gonna get our position.
Well, we're going to get and it's going to the MACD is starting to almost
Yeah,
cross.
the MACD is gonna cross at the next candle, so we're gonna shoot well below that line if it's gonna go.
We're in a 2-minute. The MACD is going to cross. Should I take another trade on 150 when the MACD crosses at the end of this candle?
Yeah, possibly.
I probably should because I think it's going to. If the MACD does it, I think if the MACD crossed just now. So if it
at
opens
the end
up,
of this candle, I would go ahead and go for your.
if it opens, if it opens up, I think it's going to. But if it doesn't, if it retracts, I'm not going to. But if it opens up, then I'm going to take it. 'Cause
That's a
pretty-
big, strong candle. So
I'm going to wait until see what happens. If it opens up, oh crap, I got to go to 1 minute. Okay. There we go. Yeah, it opened up pretty good.
yeah,
So this is going to be a win, hopefully in 54 seconds. I can't imagine it turning here because
no, I can't either. It's gonna go down. It's gonna probably go to that line, and that opened up pretty good. So I think we're gonna win both of these. Is
the
my guess.
MACD, okay, the MACD, when the MACD does that, when it crosses and then opens on the next candle, like
Mhm.
forcefully opens, it's almost like the candle. It's like when you were winding up to throw a pitch, and you would get like halfway in, and somebody says, "Stop, wait." It's almost like it's already got too much momentum, so it has to finish. At least that one candle has to finish red.
Right.
I mean, if it opens up like that, if it goes like and opens up on that opening, it's almost like the momentum of that MACD is just like it pushes that candle down. So we've got this win. We got that first win. Good job on that. So that's. I wonder why. Though was that? Wonder why we still have 18 seconds left on this candle. Does that make any sense?
No. But
Oh, that was the dude. We won
That
the
was our
1 minute. We
won the 1 minute.
We
that was
still
our
haven't
4
won the
minute.
4
I'm going to go ahead and
minute.
mark that down as a win because there's no way in heck we're losing that.
Yeah. Okay.
We might as well go ahead and do a happy dance.
Okay. That really confused me. Okay. Is this going? I don't know that it's going down anymore. I mean, we could take another candle if you want.
We've got
here.
3 wins, my brother.
Do you want another bid on this, or is it gonna just flip? That's too late.
Another trade here? I don't know.
I mean, I think it could be rejected by the white line right here, and it's
Yeah.
also at another line. It's at a
I think we've
massive
kind
line.
of exhausted this one here.
It's at a line and it's at the white.
Do you know
line.
what time these things go out of 92%?
No, I mean, but this is awesome, dude. You should always trade.
Yeah.
When we start day trading for real, ooh, look at NZDJPY.
I'm on Euro RUB, which is a nice little uptrend.
Euro RUB. Let's see. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's too far. NZDJPY is another one of these like swooping down sort of. There's a line right there. There's several lines there.
NZDJPY, I don't see it. Where's it at?
It's at 78%. Forget it.
Okay, I was going to
It's
say.
kind of a
there's-
long trend. It's already kind of happened. I'm going to go look for more setups that are real. Oh, Euro NZD.
Reset
okay.
your trade to $1. Oh, you're already at $1.50, right?
Yeah. We're on 2 wins here. Oh, yes. Dude, yeah. This, well, NZDJPY.
Euro RUB, okay. It's a big uptrend, but right now there's a big red candle, and I'm wondering if we can anticipate the next candle going back up from here, like in a 2-minute.
Well, for 2
call
minutes,
here.
yeah. Maybe. You want 2 minutes on that?
Do you think so? And what do you think?
I mean, it
You
kind
think
of,
everything's about to cross down?
I think this could be a massive downturn because it hit a line there. I mean, that's kind of a line. It hit. I mean, I'm not sure it's going all the way up.
Yeah, I was wondering about that.
Because if the MACD starts to cross, we could probably grab some puts here. But I mean, you're right. If you just look at the candles, then yes, I think it is going up. But it's starting to turn around, like the blue line starting.
Yeah,
to
I wasn't sure if it was quite at that line or not. I guess maybe it is.
It's not quite at it, but it's close enough to it to be a turnaround. I mean, the green candle went up.
It
and
is.
touched
I do see the indicators rounding out.
Yeah, if the we could probably win another 3-minute put here, 3 or 4 minute put from this high position because I think but I don't know. That was a big win, but I mean we did it based off like we talked about yesterday. We did it based off hit this line,
Anticipation more than
4-minute
anything.
put. I think we could take another 4-minute put right here and probably win. The MACD is about to cross. I think.
Mhm.
Stochastic cross down. We could just wait for the MACD to cross too.
We could almost get a 1 minute on this. It's probably going to just go down a couple of candles.
You want to try a 1 minute here? Because it could bounce.
Yeah, but it may go down towards that line. I don't know.
All
It
right,
depends
you
if
want
it's
a 1 minute.
well. It depends. It's either going to
Yeah.
be, it's either going to go right back up or it's going
Right.
down another candle.
Right. It's getting ready to cross. I think you can just. You want me to just take a? Oh crap. I could take a 2 minute right now, and we probably surely win it from right
Thanks.
here, because it's going to cross. It's
Okay, well, if this shoots up at all, you could probably just take like a 1 minute down. You could probably take a 1 minute down from about right up here, I think, or even a 2 minute. Unless it's going to go back up, unless this makes you think it's just going to keep going up. That's a decent size candle. That's a lot of. It's kind of hard to say.
because now the MACD isn't going to cross.
Right.
yet. But I think let's do a 4 minute down here.
Are you confident it's actually going to turn around?
If it's going to turn around, then
Because it may consolidate at the line.
yeah, it may go back up to that line and consolidate because it didn't. I want to see the MACD cross. I'm not sure.
NZD USD is probably going up to that line there. MACD just crossed. You see this?
What's that? Euro REB. Okay.
NZD USD. I don't know. It's
Yeah, we could take a 1 minute on that if we think it's not going to bounce.
we're on a first trade, right?
Right. Yeah, let's do it. I mean, I think you're right. Because like that candle crossed right there and it's going up. So, it's a first trade. I'm going to take your instinct on it.
Yeah, I mean, I think if it reaches for that line, and it sure could, this candle looks like it's going to end over our call line, which is gives us a real strong position for the next candle. So,
and I'm going to keep my eye on Euro RUB because I do think that the MACD is going to cross down on this one pretty soon. Like it might be like 5 minutes, but I think when it crosses down, it's going to be a tanker. And this one's going to win probably. You got 20 seconds. Yeah, I don't think there's another one in it, but
I don't want to celebrate too early, but I think we're going to win it.
Five seconds.
Deep breath, and
there we go. Total breakout either. I don't think this is a breakout, but that was a good win. That was a good call.
That was a nice win, yeah.
Also, I'm glad we didn't take a put on Euro RUB. It's still wanting to go up, but I think it'll struggle when it hits that line.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter because it's not. Ooh. Yeah. I'm looking for.
Euro NZD. Do you think this is going to break out at some point? Go down, go up? What do you think?
What is it?
It was in a big uptrend. Then it kind of went down, leveled off, been going sideways. But at some point, this is going to have to go somewhere.
Right. I don't know.
And when it does, it's going to probably go there pretty hard, whichever direction it goes.
Like, I feel like it wants to go down, but then the moving averages are kind of kissing, and they're kind of tangled up.
Yeah, I feel like it wants to drop, but I don't know. Like,
yeah,
I would almost take my best guess, I feel like this is going to go down.
Yeah, but the MACD is starting to kind of narrow, and the stochastic is sort of starting to go up, and all of the three moving averages are converging. So this could go anywhere. I don't see a strong.
Where do you think it's going to go? Where's the?
I think it's going up because it's been in a long uptrend. It rejected for a bit, but it's.
You think if you took like a 3 or 4 minute call from here, it would get there?
I think from here it's going up.
We're on a first trade, right?
Let's take a 4-minute call on
yeah,
this.
let's do that. Before it gets too high up there.
It's at this consolidation line. What I think is going to happen is it's in an uptrend. It still is in an uptrend. It hit that line, rejected that line, but then it stopped.
We got a great position here, bro.
Yeah, it stopped prematurely and started consolidating, right? But then it's oversold, so it's starting to go back up.
I would maybe even take a 1 minute on the next one.
Okay, you want to get in on a 1 minute on this one?
Yeah,
because this is possibly going to be a MACD cross right here. You want to wait for the cross, or do you want to just go ahead and take it? Maybe it is going to be a 1 minute up.
I would almost just take it because I think you're going to get another green candle out of this.
Yeah, there's no wick on that.
At the end of this candle, I would take a.
Okay. Yeah, because it's going up to that. The MACD is getting ready to cross. I think the MACD is going to cross. I kind of want to see it cross. I'm going to wait for it to cross. You just think to go for it? We can just go for it.
I would just go for it, yeah, because I think you're going to get it. So.
It's iffy because it kind of like it's kissing, but the stochastic is definitely up. And I think this candle, okay, it's kissing so closely that I think this candle is going to cause the MACD to cross. I think it's going to go up, and the MACD is going to cross mid candle.
It might, I was going to say maybe mid candle.
It's going to, that sometimes that happens. I mean, it's like it starts. If this pushes up at any force, then we're going to get a MACD cross in the middle of the candle, and then it's going to get too close to that line to take a call. Again, I would say.
Yeah, it's going to go up. I think we'll win this. I think that
right, because it's getting ready to cross. That was a nice swoop. And,
you think it's going to have another green candle after this?
I don't think so. Like, well, I mean, if the MACD just I'll have my hand on the button. If the MACD just flies up, then I'll take it. If not, I'm not. If it
But there's
flattens-
a massive line up there.
right. But it's gonna go.
So I'm not sure.
Yeah, but the MACD crossed and it pulled through, so I took it. It's
Yeah,
it's
okay,
That
all
was
right.
a win. That was
I
a
trust
5.
you. I trust you. We're gonna get a win
5.
here too.
Let's
I think
Let's
so.
get this out here. Dude, look at that look at that massive win down there that you called. You
Oh
called
yeah,
that
yeah,
massive
yeah.
win
That
there.
was a good call, dude.
And then this one, dude, because of the MACD cross, I think we got this one.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I wasn't sure.
Your MACD cross, dude. I gotta hand it to you. You made a good discovery there. That is.
Well, had the MACD not crossed on that, like if it would have closed and the MACD would have kind of like straightened, I would have not taken it.
I'm not
It
sure
would-
that we shouldn't go for another one, bro.
Well, we can. Yeah, we can right here. Okay, it's at a line, but I mean, it doesn't show much signs of stopping. Let's go ahead and take it. We might as well. I mean, we're on a roll, so
Right.
That
That's
was a
another
win.
win. That's 6.
okay, that's 6, and then we'll have 7 when this one wins. Dude, I'm just imagining these as $100 trades every time, man.
Oh yeah.
I'm just like, can you imagine? We would be so giddy stupid if these were $100 trades.
Yeah.
We'd be like, getting rich every time. I think we should take another one.
You think it's going to shoot up past? It is at the point of a.
I mean, it's a first trade, and this is like clearly going up. I mean, unless
That's
you
true.
just think it's over, it doesn't show any signs to stopping to me. Look at that.
It doesn't show any signs. No, it doesn't.
So I'd say we might as well just. I mean, we got a first trade here. We
Okay.
won that one.
It's another win.
I'll do it in a minute. I'm focusing.
Right. You're good.
All right, so now, yeah, that could bounce. Let's go ahead and win this one. Okay, this one's a little bit iffier. We've got the
No,
get the
it shot
got
up past there though.
yeah, we got the stochastic is kind of cricking, but the MACD is still clearly up. The moving averages are spreading apart. I mean, it's above its line of resistance, its only line of resistance for a long time. So
Mm-hmm.
it might have. Here's what I was going to tell you before. Now I have a time. It went up. It hit this line. Actually, if you go back even further, it went up. I don't have a lot of time. I'm going to explain this in a minute. Let's decide if we're going to enter again. I think should go ahead and enter again. Might as
12
well, 'cause-
seconds. Yeah, might as well. It doesn't show any signs of slowing down. So
No, there's no bottom wick on that one. It must have dipped right when yeah, it dipped. That's why I'm underneath that.
mm-hmm.
So that's a win. This is our 8th win in a row.
Did we just win 8 in a row?
We just won 7 in a row, as far as I can tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me count on this. This will be 8, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Dude,
6, 7. No, we've
this-
already won 8 in a row.
We need one of those, the happy dance type things. We need one of those for when we find the mother load. Okay, we need one of
Yeah.
those that says mother load.
Oh, dude, this is a mother
because
load, too.
this was our mother load. We always find one that we get a bunch of wins on, and this was it, bro. You might as well enter again because it's not slowing down.
I'm going to. I mean, now we're gonna keep entering until we lose. I think that's
Right,
Or
I think
unless
so,
it just
at
acts
this
like
point.
a crazy person. Unless it just does something stupid, we should probably. So that's 10. At some point, we're liable to lose one, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 wins in a row.
Yeah.
9 wins in a row, and that'll be a loss. It looks like, unless this just tanks. I don't know. Okay, so while this one's losing, let me show you what I think. I think it goes up, it hits this line, it goes down. Okay, I'm going to delete this line. It goes up, it hits the line, goes down, goes up, hits the line, goes down, Goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up. Comes back to that line, hits it, gets massively rejected. But then it goes, no, I'm going to go again. And then it starts going through it and just bust right through it. So it's like, okay, so that's our first loss of this series. And we reset the bid to 340. All right, we have 10 wins. We are going for 2 more wins. Let's not go 4 deep when we're trying to do that.
Yeah, I agree.
So what is this going to do? This is going to consolidate until it turns. We should keep an eye on it because it might. I don't know.
You want to take the flip flop on this when it goes all the way up. Place a put on it when it goes to the top of that line.
Not really, but because I don't know if it's going up still.
Right. I agree.
I mean, the stochastic's going down, but I don't know that it's totally.
Well, it shot up a lot past that, so I think it's going to dip back down before it keeps going up anymore. I think if you
this
let
might
that
be a new level. I mean, this might be a new line of resistance right here.
That's what I'm saying. I think if you took a put for like, I don't know if you'd want to go 2 minutes because I don't think it's going
I
that
would
high.
just flip flop it, right?
Yeah, I mean you could probably just take a 1 minute down once it gets up there.
Just wait till it gets up there and just take a 1 minute.
I don't know that it's going back up there because it looks like it's gradually getting lower. It might drop a little bit. It might go up there if it does. As long as it doesn't shoot past that line, but I don't know.
If it goes up there, though.
If it makes it up there, that raises another question. Is it going to keep going?
Right. We'd have to wait till the MACD starts turning. The MACD hasn't really turned yet. The stochastic has, but everything else is still staying up. So, I mean, it could hit that line and go 4 candles higher. I'm not convinced that it's at its turnaround point yet. I mean, that line is those two solid candles are pretty convincing, but not like long-term convincing. But if it starts going down from here, then
yeah, I think it's gonna start going down. I mean, it's just everything's looking like it's going down a little bit gradually.
right.
So I might take a put for a few minutes on the next green candle.
On the next green candle, like for 2
Well,
minutes.
or if it makes it up, I may not have another green candle. I mean, it's clearly rounding down here. So, and in fact, I tend to think the next candle is going to be a red candle. I mean, you could almost just take a 1 minute put on the next candle because I think it's going
sure
down.
It's done consolidating, bro. It's at a bottom. It's at a consolidation line right now.
But it's dropped a little past that. It's kind of broken out of that.
MACD is sort of sideways. Everything's still kind of sideways.
Okay, well then just wait.
You want to take a put?
No, just wait.
I don't want to.
No, don't.
I want to wait till the next candle.
Yeah, I agree.
Because it's like it's not wanting to go. Whoa, it's not wanting to go down yet. It's like at this line. I'm watching it. I'm thinking you're more right about like if it gets back up.
If it gets back up at all, then maybe
You
take
want a 2 minute down? When it gets up here, do you want me to just take 2 minutes down?
I don't know how far it's going. How far do you think it's going to go? Because I think that's the new line right there.
Yeah, I think we could take a 2 minute, like right now, actually.
Yeah.
It's gutsy, but it's a second trade, so let's see what happens. Like it's rounding, and that is a line. The 2
Everything's
minutes is,
going down, so
yeah, I think we're anticipating now we're starting to anticipate the MACD cross, which is kind of scary to me because sometimes it looks like it's going to do it and it doesn't. Like it, we'll see. I think you're probably right.
I think it's going to end below our line there. There we go. This candle's going to end there, and then this next candle is going to be red, and it's going to gradually get lower.
Yeah, the blue line is getting totally fish hooked now. I mean,
yeah.
And the MACD is still just sideways. But we got a good position. Got 1 minute and 20, so if the next candle's red, we're good. Even if this one's red, we're fine.
I think this one's going to be red.
We only need 2 wins to end this day, actually. So.
Right.
And, dude, that felt pretty awesome.
Yeah.
We made some crazy trades. Dude, that's the first time in a long time we've been into 2 trades at the same time, like a 4 minute trade, and then I like
Okay.
that. That's fine. I mean, it speeds it up a little bit.
Well, it felt safe because of the position. We were so
Right.
far above that line.
Right.
There was just no reasonable way it was going back to there. All right, we got this, bro. We got this. This is
40
going to go
seconds.
down.
If this doesn't, if this shoots green, if we're on the wrong end of consolidation, we're screwed. But I think this one's. gonna
I
go
think I will be surprised, real surprised, if
29 seconds. It's still a pretty hefty line there, and it's still going sideways, and it's moving slow. So I think we're okay right now. We got 20 seconds. It was a ballsy trade.
kind of.
15 seconds. In and out of the money. 15 seconds. It's going to pop down there. 10 seconds.
It's going to go down. It's going to go down.
Come on now. Come on, baby. 5 seconds. There you go. There you go. You called it. 3, 2, 1.
Boom. Got it.
oh.
Got it. Got it.
Oh. Well, that was
Just in the nick of time, bro.
dude. It totally went up as soon as you you crazy person.
Okay, well, there we go. Happy dance that one.
Yeah, that I think we were still holy. Okay. Okay, so the problem with that one is it still is consolidating. I still think we should get off this chart. There's something better out there for us.
There is.
Crap, like NZD USD. Just did a cross and it's at a white line.
You think it's going to go down?
Probably.
We'll take it. But you're still,
I mean, I just went ahead and took it.
yeah, because you're still within the
I'm still within the
realm of possibility. You're
right,
still in
I
the
was
realm
still
of possibility.
near the end of that low candle, and that's a pretty killer cross. And the MACD's coming straight out of, or stochastic's coming just tanking, and unless it bounces off this white line real violently, which it could.
It's
I
shooting
doubt
below
it.
it, so I think
I
it's
doubt
okay.
it. Oh yeah, dude, I'm glad you said just take it, because I was like, I don't know, 30 seconds. This is the only problem I don't like about being in the middle of a candle. This candle ends, and if it starts going green,
Then we
lose.
could lose position. Yeah, that's a bad thing. Because we're only kind of...
But that's all right. Look at all the indicators on this, dude. I think this is going through the white line. Now, this was dangerous because it could have not. It could have bounced off the white line. It still might. It's got 8 seconds. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on.
Oh,
baby.
yeah,
there
we got
There
it. We got it.
Bam.
Got it.
There's a 12th win for today. All right, man. 50. Let me recap this real quick. 52 minutes.
I was
12
going to say,
wins.
we did this in less time than we spent at nighttime, and we made more money because of the payout.
Yeah, 52 minutes. And I'll cap this because I'm gonna put this one will go on Spotify. 9 wins in a row. What are you doing?
ASMR.
9 wins in a row. 9. Yeah, it is. Yeah, dude, you are 92% payout.
Yeah,
Pretty
this
sure.
92% actually will make a difference
Oh yeah.
in how
big.
we clear out charts.
Because we cleared out. Okay, so I'll do the finances here real quick.
Because I think we had a little bit of overage from last night, too.
680.04. Yeah, we did. So we ended with 680.04 on your account. So, and we started with 662.73. Oh, dude, we cleared 1731 in profit. Yeah, 1731 in profit.
Really?
Yeah. April 14th. Done. But let me see where we're at now for real, because we're definitely cleared level 9, and we're into
We're into 10 now.
141. Hold on a minute. What was the trade balance? 6.
Well, it also made a difference when we went to a
680.
second or even third trade because the percentage is higher and we were trading more.
Right. Yeah. So we are at 680.04. Our trading balance is at 156. So we are into level 10. We are $3 into level 10 right now.
Oh, wow. How much do we need for that one?
1440. So we only need $11 to clear that level. Man. All right. So join us on fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com. You can take our online courses right now for a limited time. They're free. And our trading sheets. And some of you guys were asking, like, hey, what was the plan? What was the plan? The plan is to go 90 days to where we are actually making $100 trades. On day 100, we're going to be making over $100 trades. And if we win 12 a day, that's over about $1,200 of income every day. We did it today in 55 minutes. The other plan is to do this live on YouTube. No editing. Our podcast is every night. It's live. We're clearly doing this for real. A lot of people talk about binary being a scam, and a lot of people do scam on binary. But we are like actually doing this for our friends and family. Our friends and
We're
family
freaking legit.
Yeah, we're freaking. That basically, yeah, we're freaking legit. We
Hey,
are
do
doing
you like
this for real.
seafood? Do you like seafood?
No, dude, you're sick. You are 1/6 son. Oh my gosh. So that's 12 wins, man. That's the show, and we're killing it. We're gonna trade some more tomorrow, and we're gonna have more profit. We're on level, dude. We're gonna clear level 10 tomorrow, which is gonna be.
We're going to
freaking awesome.
clear level 10. And actually, when we get on tomorrow about the same time, the payouts will be the same. This
Yeah.
will make a big difference.
Yeah, dude. Once we start.
Because that actually means that we might start clearing out levels mid-trade, like mid-wins. Like we might be on win 6 and be into, because that's
Yeah.
going to catch up. Because by tomorrow,
Yeah, we're gonna already have $3, and we're gonna make more. So then we're gonna yeah. So you know what though? I'll tell you, when you get to the $100 trade level, trading at 92% will give you $150 more profit per day, which is $750 more profit per week,
wow.
just by trading on 90, over like 90, 92.
I didn't
80,
feel like it was
70.
harder. I thought it was easier.
I thought it was easier tonight too, or today. Yeah,
Yeah.
totally. I think the charts at night when the
We
time
spent a good
trade-
hour just looking for a decent chart last night.
Yeah, you know what I noticed about charts in this time frame? There's a lot more
Stability?
double crosses. Yeah, there's stability, and there's a lot more double crosses because the charts are going like this, down, then they're going up, then they're hitting resistance, going down. Like it's in its daily day trading. I think when you get in the middle of the night, it's like
Hi, Haley.
sometimes they're. Oh, is she on there?
Yep.
Did she see the show? Did you watch the show? We just wanted.
Did you watch the show, Haley? She's with my wife, so
Oh well, we killed it, dude. We had 9 in
Yeah.
a row. 9 wins.
yeah,
in a
dude,
row.
we won 9 in a row. Dude, now think about that. Do you remember the other day we were like, can we win 8 in a row? Could we?
Yeah,
I think on Saturday we should just try it. Let's just try it.
we might as well, dude. I mean, I think that we could try it. I just think that today we could have done that, and one loss would have thrown us off. We would have had 0. I think it's not smart to like
That's
base our
the
whole
that's
income.
the thing. Yeah,
I think,
but I'm
doing-
okay with 3 series, like winning 3.
Yeah,
Even
Yeah, we
winning
would've had
3,
3.
banking it, then going for another 3. Even not dividing it and doing that. I think because you would still multiply your money. Like you could win 3 in a row, bank it, start over, win 3 in a row, bank it.
yeah.
You
Yeah.
would still win more. Because
Yeah,
losing the third one isn't as bad as losing an 8th.
And doing the double cross with this, you get some pretty sure wins, dude. You're not just guessing. I think that might happen. You're pretty much finding some pretty sure wins. So we could do 3 in a row. We probably could win 3 in a row right now. Actually, I saw a couple charts that are really going well. But I'm just gonna. It's super nice out, and I got.
If we did
to
it,
do.
we would clear level 10.
Yeah. Or we'd lose our butts. We're gonna end this episode.
That's the
for
whole
sure.
thing. You got to know, in binary options, you got to know when to walk away.
No one to fold them.
Kenny Rogers would be proud. My wife loves Kenny Rogers. Well, I mean, not anymore. He's dead, but
Does she love him? Because I've got this special signed.
she used to go
autograph.
watch him in concert and stuff. And even when he got old, and they'd have to just kind of prop him up and
What?
even when he was.
Dude, I've got an autographed picture of him in a frame, like from 1990 or 1980.
Yeah,
Like when he had. Like
she probably wouldn't want it because it probably says to Eric on it.
No, it says to somebody else. I got it at like a flea market or something. I actually bought it for my dad for Christmas, but I never gave it to him.
So was it made out to a Dave?
I don't think so. I think it just had his name on it. I don't know. It said like "Love Kenny" or something.
Love Kenny, and your dad loves Kenny.
I don't know. I bought it as a gag gift, but I never really gave it to him. My wife looked at
Wait,
me
a Kenny Rogers autograph is not a gag gift. Not to somebody who likes Kenny Rogers.
Well, when I bought it, my wife was just like, "Why are you buying that? It looks stupid." I
An
would've
Oak
just
Ridge
won this,
Boys
dude.
CD is a gag gift.
Oak Ridge Boys, dude. I know the guy who shot their music video. He's a friend of mine.
Really?
Yeah. Now we're just trying to, dude. I would have won that double cross, dude. This double cross is. I think if we followed the double cross with these sure wins, we could do 3+3.
Yeah, we could. You're right.
I think we could.
You
And I
wanna
think
try
we
it?
should try it on Saturday. I think we should try it on. I think
Yeah,
right
we'll-
now, I should go eat lunch and hang out with my family.
Well, my food's on the counter in there. What are you having for lunch?
I don't know, man. I might eat spaghetti or something. I don't know.
I've got McDonald's sitting in there. That's kind of like garbage, but
Yeah, go eat your garbage. All right, we'll see you tomorrow night. This is going on
See-
podcast.
see you tomorrow afternoon. Well,
Yeah,
depending
tomorrow
on where you are in the world.
Yeah. Peace.